We are from Group 5 are going to present our assignment. This time, we will take you to explore the inspiring story of a true Indonesian visionary. Is a Rudy Habibie. The film Rudy Habibie is not just an ordinary biography. It's It is a reflection of the spirit of nationalism and hard work of a young man named Rudy. Long before he was known as B.J. Habibie. The film tells the story of his struggle while studying in Germany, facing challenge to realize his great dream, building the aerospace industry for newly independent Indonesia. Let's check it out together.
And now let's talk about the plot. The movie tells the story of Rudy Habibie, a young and brilliant Indonesian student who studies aerospace engineering in Germany. His biggest dream is to build airplanes for Indonesia so his country can be independent and advance in technology. However, Rudy's journey is not easy. He faces many struggles like financial problems, cultural difference, homesickness, and even discrimination as a foreign student. Despite of all these challenges, he never gives up on his dream. Rudy also becomes a leader among Indonesian students in Germany, encouraging them to love their homeland and contribute to its future. Besides that, the movie includes a touching love story between Rudy and a Polish-German girl named Ilona. Their relationship is sweet but also sad because Rudy eventually chooses his dream and duty to his nation over his personal happiness. Overall, the plot shows not only Rudy's intelligence, but also his strong character, patriotism, and determination to make Indonesia better. Okay, and now let's move to the language. One interesting about the language in this movie is that mix Indonesian, German, and English. This makes the story feel more real because it shows Rudy life in an international environment. But more than that, the language in Rudy Habibie is full of motivational and patriotic message. For example, Rudy says, Indonesia doesn't need smart people only, but the honest people too. This line is very meaningful, like showing that true progress comes from honesty and moral strength, not just intelligence. So, the language in this film doesn't just tell a story, it inspires the audience to be better and to love their country.
The film Rudy Habibie is rich in cultural and moral values, most of which are embedded in the true story of B.J. Habibie's youth. Cultural values 1. Love for the homeland. Rudy Habibie demonstrated a devotion to Indonesia. His ambition to establish an aerospace industry in Indonesia was a concrete manifestation of his deep sense of nationalism. The film also features scenes showing Rudy and his colleagues in Germany striving to preserve and promote Indonesian culture, such as wearing batik to events. 2. National and democratic spirit. This is evident in his effort within the Indonesian Student Association (PPI) in Germany, where he sought to unite and lead Indonesian students and demonstrate a democratic attitude in his organization. Moral 1. Devoutness. Rudy is described as a devout person. He never misses his prayer, even if he has to perform them in less than ideal place, such as under the stars of university campus in Germany. 2. Hard work and persistence. As a student without a scholarship will face economic hardship and bullying, Rudy demonstrates extraordinary perseverance in studying and pursuing his dream. 3. Becoming a spring, a life principle taught by his father. Become a spring clear and purifying its surrounding. This means being a useful person, making a positive impact, and becoming a solution for the environment. 4. Tolerance and friendship. Rudy is able to forge strong friendship with people from various backgrounds, both fellow Indonesian and German, like Ilona.
Okay, here I will discuss about the strengths and the weaknesses of the Rudy Habibie film. The strengths are: the film presents Habibie's story in a simple and engaging way. The cinematography and sound create a captivating atmosphere for the audience, and the casting is quite fitting. This film is suitable for all ages, especially for young people, so everyone can understand his story in the fun way. And the last is the weaknesses are: there is too much dialogue and it is quite dramatic, and the plot is moved so quickly. Maybe that's all, and thank you.
Next, let's move on the rating of the movie. Rating: Habibie and Ainun deserves a rating of 9 out of 10 for its touching portrayal of true love, loyalty, and dedication. The performances of Reza Rahadian and Bunga Citra Lestari are deeply emotional and successful, move the audience. Next, let's move on to the interesting point of the movie. The most interesting part of this movie is how it shows the real and inspiring love story between Habibie and Ainun. This is not only about romance, but also about struggle, sacrifice, and their shared dream to serve the nation. Their story teaches that true love means supporting each other until the very end.